Hello Orin, it is the 23rd of September 2011. Today is the day this cube is sent to Orin, and it's in this little bag here. Dare to do, I assume that's what it says in Chinese, too. Nice little bag. Whoops, fresh from Hong Kong. If you keep it in the bag, it keeps the dust off. Not when you're using it, but when you finish with it, stick it back in the bag. Good idea. Okay, the brand of this is Ghost Hand, G-H-O-S-T-H-A-N-D. If you want to buy another one, you get them on eBay, pretty cheap. So the numbers I'm going to reference relate to that write-up I sent you. So I'm not going to go through the write-up point by point, word by word, otherwise this video will take an hour. Faces: up, down, front, back, right, left. We use down and not bottom because D for dog is unique. B for back and B for bottom gets confusing. U means turn the up face 90 degrees clockwise. U prime, the prime is a mathematical symbol. I'm using the apostrophe in my write-up. U prime means turn the upper face 90 degrees anti-clockwise. D means turn the down face 90 degrees clockwise. D prime 90 degrees anti-clockwise. R, right face. Now I know the camera's up here, but I'm here. As I'm looking at it, this is my right face. So R, right face 90 degrees clockwise. R prime, right face 90 degrees anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. If there's a 2, it means do it 180 degrees. So L2 is that. Or that. Doesn't matter if you do it clockwise or anti-clockwise if you're doing 2 of them. D2, D for down. 1, 2. Alright, and so on. Okay, step 1, form a cross on the upper face. This is the upper face. Cross means here and here. So we're going to start with that one, blue. That's nice and simple. So we put the blue and the white one, which is going to go here, directly underneath where it's going to go. If I just turn the upper face 180 degrees, this is now in the correct position. White, white, blue, blue. You can see it looks right. Next one, let's do this one. This is red, so it needs to go here. Sorry, except that's orange. Where'd it go? Red. Okay. So we turn it there. There, and we're done. So the red one's in the correct position, except I messed up the blue one, so I'm going to have to get that back again. That's there. Okay, good. So we've got the blue and the red, and let's do an orange one here. So put it on the bottom face. Orange goes here. Bump, bump, and that's all for that. And then there's green. Put green on the bottom face, and then bump, bump. We messed up the orange one, so I have to straighten that one up. So now we've done the cross here. Orange, white, blue, white, red, white, green, white. That's the end of step 1. Let's move my cheat sheet here. Step 2, complete 3 upper corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any 3 of them. So here's a white piece. So this is going to go up here somewhere. Again, I just stuck it on the bottom layer. White, orange, green. So it's going to go here. So this is step 17, point 17. So the down layer, the corner piece is directly below where it's going to go. There are 3 possibilities. A, the white face is facing you. The white face is on the right face, and that's the one it is, it's B. Or C, it's underneath. So we're going to do B, point 18. R prime, D prime, R. R prime, D prime, R. And this is now in the correct position. Let's do this one, orange, blue. So blue, orange, orange, blue, blue, orange. So this is going to go here. So point 17, this is C, R prime, D2, R, D, R prime, D prime, R. I'm just going to do it. So blue, orange, white. So that one's good. One more to go. So let's get this onto the bottom layer. Alright, so this is red and blue. Red and blue, it's on the right. So if it's on the right, we do B. B for boy. The white face is on the right side. So it's R prime, D prime, R. R prime, D prime, R. So that's the end of that. Step 3. Complete the first 2 layers except for one corner and its matching end piece. Point 20. Flip the cube over. White face underneath. Undone corner near right. It looks like the left to you, but to me it's the near right. This piece happens to be correct. It doesn't matter if that piece gets done or not. We're going to do this corner, sorry, it's an edge, and this middle edge piece. So let's start with this one, blue, red. So we're at point 22, point 23. Here's the blue and the red piece. It's going to go in here. I stick it above, blue, red, blue, red. I stick it above where it doesn't match. I then go there, upper, and then move that back again, and we're done. See, so that piece is in. Still making sure this is in the near right, on the bottom face, the down face, this is in the near right position. Let's look at the next one. Red, green, that doesn't matter. Green, orange. So I'm looking for the green orange piece. It's here. So this green orange edge piece is going to go in here. So does it go there or there? Well, that matches. That doesn't match. So it goes where it doesn't match. Move the front face anti-clockwise. Move the upper face and then the front face clockwise. And we're done. Next one. Orange, blue. Here's the orange and the blue piece. That's going to go here. Alright, here. Orange, blue doesn't match. So this time I move the right face, upper face, and the right face back. and we're done. So this is now the end of step 3. Just line this up again. So everything on is now done on the bottom 2 layers apart from these 2. This one's actually done, but it doesn't matter. So now we're going to do step 4. Complete the first 3 of the remaining edge pieces. Let me just move this up. So this now goes to the bottom right. So we're going to do this piece, this piece, this piece. Not going to worry about this piece and this piece. So I'm going to do that one, that one, that one. Not going to worry about that one or that one. I find it easier to do them in this sequence. So the first one just happens to be done. So we don't have to worry about that. So this one is going to be yellow and orange. So where's the yellow-orange piece? It's here. But it's flipped. It's going to need to have yellow on top, and it's got yellow on the side. So my moves are going to be like this, with a bit of upper motion as well. So I'm going to go right, up, R prime, and that puts this yellow and orange piece here. And I'm going to get this back again. So I want this yellow and orange piece to go here with the yellow side uppermost. So if I go like that, that will be the correct orientation, but it's not going to be in the right position because this has to be here. So all I got to do, I just move the right one round a bit, 90 degrees, put it up, and then move it back again, and we're done. Yellow, orange, yellow, blue. So the first 2 are done. Next one is here, yellow, green, same thing. The piece is in the right place, but the orientation is wrong. Alright, so we've got blue and yellow. This yellow-green piece needs to be here, yellow uppermost. So I just go like that. So that's now in the right position. But I've got to move this back again, so I put a spare one in there. And we're done. You see? Yellow-green. So the first 3 edge pieces here are done. So this is, we're up to step 29, point 29, so that's done. Step 4 is completed. Step 5, complete the 2 remaining edge pieces. We're going to do that piece and that piece. There are 3, still keep this undone piece in the bottom right. There are 3 possibilities. I put them in point 30 and 31. The edge pieces are in the correct position but incorrect orientation. So this is yellow and red. Now this isn't yellow and red. The yellow and red piece is over here. So it's not in the correct position. So B, the edge pieces are in the correct orientation but incorrect position. In other words, this side is smooth. It's all red, right? The red faces match up. That's what I mean by correct orientation. So this is step B. So solve this by U prime R prime U prime R, U prime R prime U prime R, U prime. This is 31B. You have to learn these in the end, but you know, read them off for now. Okay, U prime R prime U prime R, U prime R prime U prime R, U prime, and we're done. That edge piece is correct, that one's correct, that one's correct. that one's correct, that one's correct. So this is the end of step 5. Step 6, position the remaining corners. It's that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. We're just going to position them. Don't worry about the orientation. That one happens to be correct. Let's start with this one here. So we're going to position one of these in the upper front left corner. Make sure the back right is still undone. Wrap your fingers around it. Okay, so we've got yellow, blue and orange. Where does that go? Yellow, blue, orange. So this is going to go here. So all the moves are like this. Left, down 2, anti-left, flip, left, down 2, anti-left. So this piece is now in the correct position. All right, blue, yellow, orange, blue, yellow, orange. The orientation is wrong, but the position is right. Make sure this is in the lower right still. Let's look at the next one. Orange, yellow, green. Orange, yellow, green. This is in the correct position. Wrong orientation, but the position's fine. This one, red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. That's in the correct position. Red, yellow, blue. That's in the correct position. Red, green, white. That's in the correct position. So all these corner pieces are now in the correct position. We've got wrong orientation. The position is done. So we're now on the final step. Step 6. So let's do that again. So this is the first, this is the left one, this is the right one. Left, down 2, anti-left, anti-front, down 2, front. Flip, whoops, anti-front, down 2, front, left, down 2, anti-left, and flip it back again. All right, so now we've got 2 corners. Okay. We're going to do the same sequence of moves. How you recognize where to start is what starts on the upper left front position here is where this is red. Like this is the red face, or whichever face it is, and the color you want is on the top face. So you go like that and it puts it in the right position. And the second one you use for the pear is similarly, but it's on the right face. This is yellow, that's yellow. So halfway through we're going to bring this over to this position. So we go left, down 2, anti-left, anti-front, down 2, front. Now we're going to flip, 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 anti-front, down 2, front, left, down 2, anti-left, flip, flip, and we're done. And well, let's see how that one goes.